Today we are going to make a DIY bird perch. This summer we went to the beach. I also brought Peanut. One day we were walking on the beach and my sister found some driftwood. She told me to bring it home for Blue or Pepper. I decided to make it into a bird perch. My dad and I went to a Home Depot and got the supplies. Before you start, make sure to sanitize it with soapy water and bleach. You will need a piece of all thread, 2 washers, a wing nut, super glue, your driftwood or a branch, a saw, and a drill. Make sure you have adult supervision or have an adult help you. First, cut the branch or the driftwood. Make sure it's straight, otherwise the branch will be crooked. I had my dad help me on this part. This is what it should look like. Make sure it's straight. After that, take your drill and drill a hole. Make sure the drill bit is about the size of the all thread. Here is our hole. Next, you will put the all thread in. Maybe have someone help you on this part because it gets really messy. First, we poured super glue all down in the hole. Next, we placed the all thread in. And then after that, we poured super glue all around to make sure it's secure. Next, place your washer on. Make sure to let it dry for a couple minutes. Time to put it in your bird's cage. Make sure to put it on pretty tight so it doesn't come undone. I think it turned out really nice. It's the perfect size for his cage. Look, he's watching us. He's a little nervous because he doesn't know what that is. At first, he wasn't really sure about it and he hopped to his other branch. After a couple hours, he was okay with it and he decided to stay on it. If you enjoyed, then make sure to subscribe. This is a lot cheaper than buying one from a store. If you try this out and have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!